I love plants like this. Agatha robusta. I'm sure you're wondering what this dude is. Let me check the tag real quick. Glyptostrobus pensilius. These are all plants that I love. In fact, Agatha robusta is probably one of the coolest plants on the planet. It's part of the Araucaria family. You probably would know them more by the monkey puzzle tree. It's a tree that's really pointy. People thought that it would puzzle the monkeys how to climb them. They're monkeys. That's what they do. Athrotaxis. Another super cool plant. If you've noticed anything about these plants, it's that they're all gymnosperm, which basically means ain't got no fruit, just the nut. Kind of like you when you're born. Agathis, as you'll notice, they have leaves. Now I'm sure there's some scientific explanation saying how they're not leaves, they're needles somehow. Fuck you, they're leaves. I think we should leave that topic for the day. So they're related to Araucaria, which is a sister group to Podocarpaceae, which is basically super cool. That's where all the interesting stuff happens. That's where you get redwoods, yews, junipers, cypress, and that is where most of these plants came from today. The Glyptostrobus, that's in the redwood family, technically in the cypress family, but they're very closely related. One could argue that they're Asian redwoods, kind of like one could argue that a pond cypress is kind of like an American redwood. They're similar color wood, similar overall look. And also, they're both deciduous. They drop their leaves. Which brings me back to Agathis. They're basically a ficus, but a conifer. I like ficus a lot. You probably don't know that yet, actually. This is my first video. I have 70 species of ficus. Plants are amazing. So are you.